Hi, in this video, we'll be looking at how to use Easyvid software for screen recording. So we're going to go ahead and search for Easyvid and try to download that from the official page here. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to scroll all the way down here. We don't want to be distracted with some of these ads on the page. So we're going to scroll right down until we reach the end of the page, and we'll click on this download option right here. Now once you click on download and install, then we're ready to begin. I've already downloaded the app, so I'm gonna go straight to that app here on my computer. So this is the software, and you can see very simple and primitive setup in terms of the what you have to work with, the controls, the options, etc. And there are some ads on the page as well, so that's another thing, or within the app, that's another thing you have to be aware of. Some of the limitations. The other limitation is that there's some background music that is played within it. There are a number of different options you have also for music that you want to have there. In addition to that, let me see here. Okay, so in addition to that, we also have some additional limited features that you can use here in the free version. All right, but yeah, let's see pretty much how that works. I think we have the option here for capturing the screen, option here for voice recording. So if we hit the option for screen capture, this will allow us to capture a screen. Let's see. We have the option now for advanced settings. Here we can see microphone is disabled. We can enable that if we so desire. Well, it's not giving me that option right now, but that can be enabled, or we can just go ahead and use the basic capture settings. So I'm going to do that at this time, and we're going to capture the screen first, and then we do the recording of the audio afterwards. This is pretty much how it works. All right, so let's do that. So it's counting down here. All right, so this is Easyvid, and this is pretty much how Easyvid works. Let's stop that now. Bottom left here, you have the option to stop, and let's see what it has captured. Then we can add the voice to that. So I'm going to do a voice recording to that, because I was speaking, but it obviously was not recording. So I'm going to go ahead and do that again. Okay, so this is Easyvid, and this is pretty much how it works. Let's have a look at it, shall we? All right, stop that. All right, so I'm going to replay all of that for you to hear. I should have played it first for you to hear it without the sound, which really wouldn't make any sense, but let's do that now. Okay, so this is Easyvid, and this is pretty much how it works. Let's have a look at it, shall we? All right, so that's pretty much how you do your recording. Of course, you have the option to change your project, to load additional projects, etc. I think you also, well, we have the option here to save video. All right, and it's pretty much gives you the option to save locally, or let me see, it's taking some time here, but oh, it's rendering the final video, so it's gonna take some time before it actually, okay, saves that. Wonderful, and there we go. It saved it as a WMV file. All right, so this is pretty much how Easyvid works. Of course, if you want to replay that, you can just replay it here, and let's see how that sounds. Okay, so this is Easyvid, and this is pretty much, yeah, so there you go. That's pretty much how it works. All right, guys, so this is pretty much it for Easyvid. I hope that you would have learned something more as it relates to screen recording tools that can be utilized. Of course, you can upload that to your YouTube channel or whatever you want to do with that, but it doesn't have any more advanced or any additional features that you can utilize. All right, but I hope this video helped you. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and also, yeah, look out for some more videos and ensure that you subscribe and hit that notification. All right, so ciao, see you later.